Marilee Nika grew up in Athens, Greece, where her interest in technology began with a secondhand programming book. At just 7 years old, she typed lines of basic code into her brother's computer simply to see what would happen. That early curiosity combined with a strong drive to create remained a defining force throughout her life. After completing her computer science degree at the University of Piraeus, Marilee moved to London to pursue a PhD in machine learning at Imperial College. Her research went beyond algorithms. She wanted to understand how ideas spread online. Using disease modeling to explain viral trends, she explored the intersection of technology and social behavior work that led to her TEDx talk, Is Robin Thicke the New Swine Flu? Alongside her academic journey, Marilee Mika became increasingly aware of the lack of women in tech spaces. Determined to change that, she founded the Women in Computing group at Imperial, led the UK's first female-only hackathon at Facebook London, and co-founded London Geekettes, a community designed to support women entering and advancing in the tech industry. In 2011, Marilee became the first Greek woman to receive the Anita Borg Scholarship from Google, a milestone that expanded her network and increased her global visibility. Shortly after, she joined Google, first as an intern and then full-time as a product manager on the speech AI team. There, she contributed to building features for Google Assistant and helped develop widely used voice technologies. Marilee's career later expanded into academia. She now teaches part-time as a teaching fellow at Harvard Business School, guiding students in product management within Harvard's analytics program. Through mentorship, public speaking, and teaching, she works to open doors for aspiring technologists who may not yet see a place for themselves in the field. Her work has earned her significant recognition, including Woman of the Year at the Every Woman in Tech Awards and Emerging Alumni Leader from Imperial College. Still, what drives Marilee most is her commitment to making tech an inclusive space where no one feels excluded because of their background or identity. Marilee often shares one piece of advice she wishes she could give to her 18-year-old self. Hope on its own is not a strategy. You need hope, but you also need action. Put in the work, advocate for yourself, and don't be afraid to fail. Failure can open doors you never expected. Now based in London, Marilee Nika balances her work at Google, her teaching role at Harvard, mentoring startup founders, and time with her family. And through it all, she is still fueled by that early spark, the joy of typing code and watching something appear on a screen. Her message remains simple and powerful. Stay curious, stay persistent, and step boldly into new spaces. You can help shape the future while lifting others along the way. Marilee Nika, a prominent tech leader, began her journey in Athens, Greece, where a secondhand programming book sparked her curiosity at just 7 years old.